So today I'm going to make this fried rice, vegetable fried rice, nice and spicy, Indian kind of spices in there. You can use any type of vegetables you want. It's really simple. It's pretty healthy. Vegetarian and it's vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, super easy this one. So we've got cooked basmati rice. I've got 3 cups there of a cold cooked rice. I always find that cold rice cooks and fries much better than hot or warm rice. Now, of course, you can be using any selection of vegetables you want. I'm going to be going with bell peppers, carrots, green beans, and cauliflower. And I've got about a cup each. I've also got a cup of chopped onion, nice and small, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, fresh curry leaves. If you can get these, fantastic. If not, don't worry about it. Chili. I've just got 2 green chilies there, and I'm going to put them in a whole. You can chop them if you want. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and then a teaspoon each of the following. There's 5 powders there: turmeric, coriander, cumin, chili, and garam masala powder. That's about it. Let's get on with it. So I've got a little wok here, or a pan. You're going to need something like that. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. If you wanted, you could use a different oil, maybe like mustard oil or coconut oil. Anyway, we're heating that up. We're on quite a high heat. We're going to drop in the cumin seeds and the curry leaves, which sometimes can be quite noisy. And just a few seconds, let them do their thing in that oil. They'll infuse it. Then we're going to add our onion. I've cut my onions nice and small. And to that I'm going to put my carrots in. Just basically my hardest vegetable first. Salt. Fairly high heat. About 2 to 3 minutes. Keep it moving. Really lovely and simple, this dish. Okay, we're now going to add in a tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix, obviously, of garlic and ginger. I'm now going to add in my green beans. My cauliflower. And my bell peppers. So that's all my vegetables in. And you can use any selection of vegetables that you want, obviously. Some mushrooms in there might be nice. Eggplant, potato. Up to you. The fresh chili, I'm going to drop that in now. And like I said earlier, if you want, you can chop that nice and small. 3 minutes, high heat, keep it moving. Okay, now I like a nice crunch on my vegetables. You can cook them longer if you want. We're going to pop in all of those spices now, teaspoon each. Let's go through it again. There's 5 of them. Garam masala powder, turmeric, coriander, chili, and cumin. In it goes. And then simply what we're going to do is we're going to add our rice. 3 cups of cooked cold basmati rice. About 5 minutes. Let's fry that rice. If we get a little bit of browning or even blackening on it, I think that adds a lovely flavour. We've pretty much done it. And you can see that the spices, especially the turmeric, are catching that rice and turning it a beautiful colour. See, in about 5 minutes, We're just going to add a little bit of cilantro or coriander to this, and we've done. So I hope you can hear that there. That's our rice frying. We're not making a rice salad here, so make sure that you really fry that rice. Off goes the heat. A little bit of cilantro or coriander. Let's mix that in. We've done it. Let me get that on a plate. Super. And that's it, job done. That's really easy and it's beautiful. Like I say, add whatever vegetables you like to that. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, keep being happy. Lots of love. How you doing? Thanks so much for checking out our videos. Really do appreciate it. We're busy as ever. We're pumping out some fantastic food. Well, we think it's fantastic. So Chef June's got his own channel now. Please check that out. He's doing great guns on there, all in Tagalog, some fantastic food he's making. Rahel's doing her Amharic channel, which has been going on for some years now, and she's doing great. But please check it out if you want to know about Ethiopian food, although it is all in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. The vegan channel's doing okay. Could do with a bit of help actually, so pop over there and give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We're doing fine. We're still here in Bahrain at the moment. It's very hot, as you could imagine, but yeah, happy as can be. Now, if you'd like to help the channel out, you could buy us a coffee, or there's a little link will pop up now maybe, or something will pop up or something. But yeah, if you want to support the channel, that would help us out a great deal. Really appreciate all of you sending messages and follow us, on a regular basis. We love you all. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.